To tackle drug matter, we go begin major operations for drug hubs for Edo State. Obaseki na him talk this one. We go continue to pressure federal government to allow us use our 112 emergency line. Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, don yarn tori pipo say dem dey collabo with Nigeria Drug Law Enforcement Agency when pipo sabi as NDLEA to torchlight drug abuse matter for Edo State. Obaseki talk this one after the monthly security meeting wey shele for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki wey talk say security don stable for Edo State, come still yarn say kidnapping, drugs, homicide and vehicular accidents na im make up 75% of crime for Edo State. Obaseki come still talk say dem dey collabo with NDLEA to do major drug operations for the state.
Anyway, thank you. We've just concluded the Security Council meeting for the month of where we reviewed the incidents until August. As you know, we have this information management system in Edo State where we track every incident of crime that is reported. The month of August, we can say clearly that the security situation in Edo was stable. The top 4 incidents of kidnapping, drugs, homicide, and vehicle accidents account for 75% of the incidents related to crime in Edo State. This month has been stable. Although we witnessed a slight increase in the case of kidnapping, this Security Council took measures which hopefully will see us curb the increase in the next 1 month. We also discussed the issue of drugs, and working with the NDLEA, we're going to be undertaking an operation very soon on a major drug hub in the state.
To tighten security for Embamont, Obaseki talk say dem go continue to pressure federal government, especially Nigeria Communication Commission, to allow Edo State use 112 emergency number. Obaseki constantly talk say this number go help report security matter for your area.
We continue to put pressure on the federal government, particularly the NCC, to allow us use the 112 emergency line. We've written again to the NCC. We're hoping that they will allow us, access to the line, so that line will be connected to our command and control center. Once that line is connected, then citizens will have quick access to report incidents. So the combination of having that emergency line and also having cameras monitoring entry and exit out of the city will be able to help us track the activities of some of these car snatchers or car theft.
Commissioner of Police for Edo State, CP Abutuyaro, constantly talk say,
members of the press, you've heard the summary of the event of the day, and generally what you have been told is exactly what we've done, and what you have heard is exactly what we are doing. The facts speaks for itself, and our determination to do more, to make the facts, as you know now, to sink deeper and better into the minds and all of us, is what we seek to do in the days ahead. And we want to appeal to everybody for a sense of understanding and a sense of gratitude too to the governor of Edo State for the realism of effort and the innovative mechanism he has placed to enable us to function in the way you have seen. Without his innovative policy outline, there's no way we can make any difference. So to him we are grateful. And to you, the residents and indigents of Edo State, want to thank you immensely for your cooperation. Expect more from us in the days ahead, and we believe jointly we shall make Edo better than we met it. Generally, crime is a galloping phenomenon. You cannot get it perfectly well at any time. While you are moving towards a certain direction to perfect many things, some others may crop up, and you to strategize and bring it under control. However, as security managers, we shall continue to strive to rise up to the occasion. And the criminals are always planning to evade the dragnet, and will continue to re-emphasize and rearrange our instruments and capabilities. Be rest assured, better days are yet to come, and we're on top of the situation.
People went turned out for this meeting. Now, Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to Edo State Government, Osaudian Ogie Esquire, Commissioner of Police, Abu Tuyaru, and other heads of different security agencies for inside Edo State. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC 9 be your power. No tell them give any politician on election day.